This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 6 Demonstration II. The video provides an overview of Java applet programming and its appeal, demonstrating how to write, execute, and configure Java applets with a Hello World applet example and various customizations. It explains how to create and run a simple Java applet called Demonstration 1, detailing the import packages, class extension, paint method, compilation process using Javac, and the HTML file structure with the applet tag to specify applet parameters. The video covers customizing the applet title and size, explaining how to display text in the applet viewer using Java applet programs, and how HTML code changes impact the display of the title in the applet status bar, with a demo of simple applet programs to print text at specific locations. It discusses the init method in applets, which initializes the applet size, background color, and other applet properties, showcasing how to use the resize method to set applet dimensions and the set background color method to set the background color using the AWT color class, with the ability to resize the applet and set the background in the same block. The video demonstrates how to pass parameters to applets via HTML with a program that displays a user input message at specified coordinates read from the HTML file, using the getParameter method to retrieve parameter values from HTML tags for rendering, and integer parseInt to convert string values to integers for coordinates. It covers embedding HTML code within the Java applet file, showcasing a program similar to the previous one, with the HTML code at the bottom embedding the class file, and explaining how the applet can be run without an HTML file using the applet viewer, while still interpreting the HTML tags. In the key takeaways, the video summarizes customizing applet behavior like size and colors using code methods, passing HTML parameters to applets to customize visuals and behavior, embedding HTML code within Java applet files for single-file apps, the potential to create interactive visual apps running in browsers, the limitations in user input and applets being phased out in browsers, and the evolution towards Java-based rich internet and mobile applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.